What is the recommended vitamin D replacement?
Start with the right test. Measure serum 25-hydroxyvitamin D, or 25-OHD. Targets for older adults and people with osteoporosis are at least 30 nanograms per milliliter, with 20 to 29 nanograms per milliliter considered insufficient, and under 20 nanograms per milliliter deficient. Routine prevention uses vitamin D3, typically 800 to 2,000 international units per day. Many guidelines favor 800 to 1,000 international units daily to reduce falls and fractures. For deficiency, common repletion is 50,000 international units weekly for 6 to 8 weeks, or an equivalent daily dose, then maintenance. Avoid very large single bolus doses and keep doses above 4,000 international units per day under medical supervision with follow-up testing and calcium checks as needed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.